to fix Instagram not uploading story. Check Instagram server status. First, let's check if the Instagram server is down, because sometimes you cannot upload stories because of this. First things, head over to any web browser and search for Down Detector. From the search results, select the first link. In the site search bar, search for Instagram. Now, you can see a graph with the Instagram statistics. Here you can see if the site is down or up. Now, go back and try to upload the story. If it is still not uploading, then check mobile data usage settings. Sometimes even using less mobile data cannot upload Instagram stories too. To check this, open the Instagram app. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, click on the 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down to the Your App and Media section and look for the option Media Quality and toggle off the switch next to Use Less Mobile Data. Sometimes using less mobile data can affect uploads. Now go and try to upload the story. If it is still not uploading, then verify cellular data access for Instagram. Check cellular data access for Instagram. It may also cause you to not upload Instagram stories. Open the Settings app on iPhone. Go to Mobile Service. Then scroll down and click on Show All. Scroll down to Instagram, make sure the Instagram toggle is switched on. Now go and try to upload the story. If it is still not uploading, then simplify your story content. Sometimes having more content on your story may fail to upload. Then, again open the Instagram app and click on your story. Scroll down and select the photo that you want to post as a story. If your story is loaded with stickers, GIFs, or music, it might be too heavy to upload. Try posting it in its pure form. Now click on your story. If your story is still not uploading, then uninstall and reinstall the app. Tap and hold the Instagram app icon. Tap Remove App. From the menu, click on the Delete app, and then confirm it. Now go back to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and download it. After downloading, open the app, and then try to upload the story. To verify, go and tap on your story. Now you can see your story has been uploaded, and that's it.